exciting news. We have our magic bands came in. We're going to Disney World this fall. That's all I'm saying. And we have our magic bands, and we're going to open them. Who's excited?
I'm excited.
The
Yay.
address will show.
No. We marked off the address and
Okay,
stuff.
good.
Mom thought ahead. So, yeah, we haven't opened these yet. So we're going to show you what it looks like inside, and it's like got a thing here. And what it looks like.
Oh my goodness.
Here's what they look like. Okay, it says, let your vacation fun begin, magic band. So we have, can we give names? Or just pick yours out?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Yours, Bear.
it said whenever you get them, you pick out your color and you put your name, whatever you want your name to be on it.
Well, who got the blue
take-
one?
Well, it says the names next to it.
It takes the tubes, and this is me. You're red.
Oh, and here's luggage tags. Magical Extras luggage tags.
Red.
Oh, we got luggage tags.
And
Oh my goodness. Look,
here's a little one.
luggage tags. Oh wait, let me move it out of the way.
Little one.
So excited.
So what do I do with it?
And here's Sissy.
We present this card to
Is it a
redeem
button?
benefits. But look, luggage tags. Here's Donald and Mickey and
I'm really going to.
Mickey and Minnie and Donald. We each get luggage tags. Get you into your hotel. You have your reservations,
Your credit card is hooked to
your
it.
credit card.
You lose it, and they say these things can be
Oh,
changed
and it
out.
has my name on the back, and also has a number, which I'm not showing in case it's important. Yeah.
What's inside there?
Oh, let's open it.
I think.
My names are in it.
Here.
Really going to tear this whole thing apart.
Are those extenders?
I don't know, but here's instructions. The
Oh, these are
magic
for our
band
things, probably. For our
is 2 different sized bands in one and can be used to fit most guests. For smaller sizes, push the inner band away from the outer band by using a thumb or index finger. Not you. I barely got yours on you. Don't do that. Let me see if it's me.
Okay.
Yeah, that would be me.
These are lighter than I thought they'd be. I know whenever they showed them on videos,
Because
they
otherwise
look
I'd
so
have to
big
take a
and
knife to it
bulky,
and cut the end
but
off.
they're really thin and light, which is good because walking around Disney,
Because you don't want it, you
You're
don't want
not
it too
gonna
big,
want
but you don't want it
a big
too loose either.
honking thing on your wrist.
Now, well,
You girls both wanted blue ones?
can you hold this?
Yeah,
Yeah, good.
blue's
I
favorite
want the
color.
blue one too.
Are you excited, kiddo?
I'm excited.
Have we told our names yet? I don't think we have.
Oh.
I'm Virginia.
I'm David.
Stop it.
Mary.
And Mary
That's
Margaret.
baby. Yeah.
Or, yeah, she's the baby of the family, so.
She's our baby.
Because I don't think we've given our names yet.
No.
So,
So,
you now know our names.
for smaller sizes, push the inner band.
Push the inner
Let's
band.
see, I was thinking about actually taking scissors and chopping the end of that sucker off.
I wouldn't do that.
I
See,
took mine off.
these
Yeah.
go here. This is where I got mine at, right there.
Oh.
Mine's right on the edge.
Okay, well, I want to try mine.
Just pop it in there.
Mine fits.
So,
Yay!
okay, so I will do this.
Make sure the magic band is fitted securely against your wrist facing up. I may have to pop
Does
mine
this
in.
look good?
Yeah, looks good.
Is it the wrong way or should I have
It is the wrong way.
These
Because
are
it
kinda awkward to
shows
put on.
it shows the Mickey ears
going left?
facing you.
Oh, so the Mickey ears face you like this.
Yeah, when you look at it, Mickey Mouse need to be
Oh,
face
sorry.
up.
Okay, yes. So what we've
Wait,
seen
So
with
mine's going
these,
wrong way?
Yeah, it's upside down.
um,
I don't think it would matter, but that's just me.
supposedly we've seen it. We have seen it been executed. How you scan your thingy to rides, reservations for fast passes, everything. So Magic Band is a very important step, which I need to make mine tighter. I don't want it to be loose at all. It's a very important piece of your Disney World
Experience.
Yes, supposedly. So you don't want to lose this. I like how light this is. It's
Very
really,
pretty.
it's lightweight.
They're kind of hard to
It's
get
not
on.
heavy at
though.
all.
You-
They can be.
How'd you
Yeah.
get yours on so easily by yourself?
Skill. No, I had it like upside down, and I just
She
used
had her
it.
wrist down and then Push.
which actually I need to make it go in a bit further.
Want some help?
No, I do need to learn how to do
Oh, you
this.
did take that off? Your edging? Where is your edging? Do you take your gray off?
No,
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you
that's
did.
what I was saying. So,
It says the icon is removable with the help of a small screwdriver. Under adult supervision, be sure not to over tighten the screws, because I've heard that you can pop these out and put in like you can have a blue and a green or a red and green, red and blue.
yeah, because the band is just for decoration. Because you can get, like, at the Halloween party, they have all these special bands. But it's the important parts where you scan.
Extras.
The magical extras were these.
What is it?
They gave us luggage tags.
Oh, no.
No.
I don't know what that is. I wouldn't show the scanny part because I don't know
I'm not.
if. I don't know what that is.
But it's got a reservation number on
It does. Valid during your package stay. Present this card to redeem benefits. View them on the website.
Oh, if you have a
And-
pacemaker, you can't wear one of these. Or a cardioverter defibrillator, an ICD.
I don't know.
We encourage you seek the guidance of the manufacturer of your device and your physician. Oh dear. Once you have linked to your My Disney experience, the Magic Band is an all-in-one device you can use to enter the parks, Fast Pass, connect to Disney Photo Pass service, enter your Disney Resort hotel room, and make purchases. You know when I asked you all guys for passwords?
Yeah.
That's what that was. Because I guess once you use it, you have to put in that password I got from you. Please don't forget what it is. No, you did.
If it's
Yes,
what
I
I think
did.
it is, I think I know what it is.
It is.
Yes,
Okay.
I already
You know what
did.
it is.
Okay.
No,
So
I don't.
I'll tell you later.
Yeah, please do, because we're.
anyway, so white box with the magic bands, like you saw, came in like this. And on the inside, make sure you check the whole box before you just toss it, because the luggage tags were in this little compartment here, and they'd be easy to miss.
And then
Accidentally. Yeah.
the strips for them
So
were in this thing.
and we get 4 luggage. Which luggage ones do you guys want? We got 2 Donalds the
We already
same.
bought luggage tags, Jen.
I know, but now we have special ones from Disney. So
You could hang them in your room or something for decorations or something.
You know, they actually have it to where they can put at least up to 5 on this bad boy.
yeah.
We were missing somebody. We needed a 5th person.
I don't think I would hang these up for decoration. Anyway, which one do you guys want?
Well, Donald, of course.
I know Kiddo, you like Donald, right?
Donald's my favorite Disney friend.
Oh, there's 2 different Donalds. Which one do you?
No, they're the
oh, they're
exact
the
same.
same. Which Donald do you want?
You want a Donald, you said?
I want that Donald.
I'm
Which one
gonna
do you want?
say y'all have Donalds. What I'm gonna
Because we
say.
both had the blue.
You both got the blue, so there's
So
2
that's why we
Donalds.
have 2 Donalds.
Oh, do you think they did that on purpose? Oh, green and orange. Red. Purple. It's different.
We had
I'm
the
gonna say
blue
this is
on
me.
Donald.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say.
I don't know. Last time we went, they did not have magic bands or anything. We went 2002.
I was a baby.
You were born
It was
in
like 18 years
99,
ago.
So I'm gonna say 21.
Yeah, they didn't have any of this stuff. So
No,
this
this
is
was-
brand new for
That's
us.
when they had the movie.
Now,
night.
didn't they have fast passes the last time we went, and you thought it was like cutting in line? They were like new or
They
something.
had just started something,
Yeah.
and I felt really bad. All those people in line, and I'm just gonna cut right through. It's
Yeah.
like,
So I mean,
remember, because Kelly Jo went with us, and she said, "Oh yeah, you can." I'm like, I can't do
Yeah.
that.
Oh,
They
yeah.
had just started. It was back in the
Everyone
90s.
can.
That was when we went before Mary Margaret was born.
That's when we went when Genia was
She was
96.
a baby. Yeah, that was the first time.
96.
yeah.
I think
So-
they had him then, or
'Cause-
they had something, and I felt guilty. All those folks who were just standing there in the hot sun while
'Cause
I go
Kelly-
in the air conditioning.
Your friend Kelly said she was going to ride the Tower of Terror with me,
Mm-hmm.
and she couldn't because of medical reasons.
Yeah.
And we had got done eating breakfast, and I do not recommend riding something that takes you up 13.
I think you did that. You did it before breakfast.
What is
Oh.
it, Junior?
We got vouchers.
What's about
Enjoy the benefits of using your magical extra savings card at these Walt Disney World locations. Miniature golf voucher. You got 4 vouchers. Each voucher is valid for one 18-hole round of miniature golf prior to 4 p.m. on one day for one guest at either Disney Fantasia Gardens Miniature Golf Course or
We can do that
Disney's
on our day off.
Winter Summerland Miniature Golf Course. A valid magical extra savings card, which is what this is required at time of redemption.
But it
Available.
only gives one of us. We have to pay for the
No,
other
wait,
three.
let me finish.
There's 4.
Available times may be limited due to capacity. Only one miniature golf course may be open from time to time, and of course are subject to weather. No, there's 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, 4 of 4. So we get 3 miniature golf, and there's also an ESPN Wide World Sports for all 4 of us.
What
Oh,
is?
that would-
I don't
What do you
know.
do there? Do you play
It-
basketball or what?
No, it's valid for one general admission on any day required of time. Valid only on event days. No events on certain days. I don't know what.
Oh, put that with our important stuff.
Probably going to pack them up in our bags so they
Yes.
don't get
I need
lost.
this so I can
Because
get
we
my
don't
shirt.
need them until the Halloween
The
party.
Halloween party. Oh, and just an FYI, if anyone's going thinking Halloween party, you can go to the Halloween party at the Magic Kingdom without having admission ticket to the Magic Kingdom. You can just get the Halloween ticket. We found that out. You don't have to pay for both because
Yeah.
you're only getting a half a day at the Magic Kingdom then,
Yeah,
which is kind
so
of
it's
pointless.
kind of crazy to.
So
Yeah.
that's
Okay, here's my
good to know.
band.
So this was
Okey-doke.
fun. I'm glad we found. So we got 3 miniature golf games. So make sure you look at every
Let me see
little.
what that Wild World
Here you go.
Sport.
Look
thing
at
is.
every single nook and cranny in your box. Don't just be like, oh, got my bands. Toss. It's not toss. It's keep. It's a cool box too. So make sure you go through it. I think we're going to head out. It has been fun hanging out with you and doing our magic bands. This was very exciting. So, yeah. We'll talk to you guys later. Yay.
Disney.
Disney.
Yay.
How fun. So excited. Can't wait. This is going to be so much fun.
Can you tell it's late?